I want to check one condition, right? In that case, we will say that there are three logical operators. First is logical OR, second is logical and third is logical NOT. I'll give you the explanation about this logical operators and then we will evaluate few expressions. First question comes in the mind, what is the need of this logical operators? For example, suppose I'm saying you, I want to check one condition, right? The condition says that if my entered character or if any character which user is entering, it should be a capital letter. This is my condition. Now, when I say it should be a capital letter, so immediately मेरे mind में आता है capital letter starts from A to Z and उसकी ASCII value is from 65 to 90. Do you all agree, everyone? Right. Means if the user is entering a character into variable which is called as ch, तो can I say मुझे अब दो conditions check करनी है. One, whether the ch is greater than 65 and whether the ch is less than equal to 90. ये दोनों conditions मुझे check करनी है. Right. So if I wish to go for multiple number of expressions, if I want to go for multiple number of expressions to be checked, in that case, I will say I will use in between logical operators. समझ में आया? What are logical operators and what's the need? If we wish to combine one or more number of expressions together, then we will go for logical operations. So I can say there can be an expression 1, there can be expression 2. All right. If I ask you, I have a num value which is 30, right? If I ask you, is my num is greater than 30? What you will give me as the answer? True part, right? True indicates 1. Okay. If I ask you num less than 30, you will say it's a false part. It is a 0, right? Can I say here num less than 30 या num greater than 30? ये दोनों भी expression सी है. Can I say like this, everyone? Yes. Next, suppose if I say I have num value is equal to 10. And if I'm saying, if I perform num plus plus, can you please tell me if I say this is my expression 1? Expression 1 में अब value कौन सा जाएगा? 10 जाएगा कि 11 जाएगा? Expression 1 में value जाएगा 10. Good. Next, if I ask you num में क्या value जाएगा? 11. Good. Can I say expression 1 or E1 is evaluated to non-zero value? Expression 1 में non-zero value आया है? Yes. I'll write it over here. Please listen very carefully. If any expression evaluates to non-zero value, it is true or it returns 1. If any expression evaluates to non-zero value, it returns 1. I'll take one more example. suppose I'm saying my num value is equal to, let us say, 36. And I'm saying I have expression 2, which is plus num. In this case, instead of 36, I'll take some minus number, maybe -5, right? Can you please tell me अब expression 2 में क्या value जाएगा? Expression 2 में value जाएगा -4 and num में कौन सा value जाएगा? -4. ठीक है? Now, can I say expression 2 is evaluating to non-zero value, right? If it is evaluating to non-zero, means expression 2 हो जाएगा true. Have you understood? Everyone, num में this, how this will be evaluated? Since it is pre-operation, -5 plus 1, answer will be -4. पहले ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होगा, फिर असाइन होगा. आप समझ में आया? Expression 2 is evaluating to non-zero value, so expression will return me true part. Have you understood up to this point? Here also E1 is true. Now, let's take, I have num value 0. I'm writing expression 3 is equal to num plus plus. Can you please tell me expression 3 में अब कौन सा value जाएगा? Expression 3 में answer will be 0. Num value will become 1. Is it okay? Next, E3 is evaluated to 0 value now. So E3 will be false. So have you understood the evaluation of any expression? Logical operators में पहले आपको expression evaluate करना पड़ता है. Then you have to decide whether the expression is returning me 1 or whether the expression is returning me 0. There are 3 possible operations, or there are only 2 possible operations you can say. Expression gives me answer 1 if it gets evaluated to non-zero value. Why I've said non-zero? It is because it can be plus value or it can be a minus value also. But if any expression is returning me, if any expression is returning me 0, that means it is false. Yes, Nilesh, correct. That every non-zero value will return 1. यहाँ तक समझ में आया सबको? Evaluation का? Everyone. Good. I'll keep this over here. Okay, I'll take over here now. Next, suppose I'm saying expression 1 can give me 0 or it can give me 1. Expression 2 also can have this kind of combination. Can I say like this, everyone? अगर मैं 2 expressions consider करती हूँ तो ये possible combinations है. ठीक है. If I am working with logical OR operator. Yes, this is 0, 1. Yes, I'll change. If I work with logical OR operator, right? Just a second. This mouse is. Just give me a moment. All right. This is 1. These all are the possible combinations, right? Logical OR में अभी. This works as your logical or operator, जैसे हमारा normally operators work करते हैं. This is like 0 plus operator के जैसे 0 1 1 1. Correct? Have you understood up to this point? OR operation works as 0 or 0 is 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Please concentrate very carefully. If we talk about logical operations, if I say if left hand side part is 0, then direct answer is, sorry, if left hand side part is 1, direct answer is 1. If left hand side part is 1, direct answer is 1. Do you all agree? Means if the logical operator is there or operator is there, if the left hand side expression is evaluating to 1, I am directly getting the result as 1. If left hand side part is 1, I'm directly getting the result as 1. Right? Yes. Do I have to evaluate the second expression in this scenario? No. This is never get evaluated. Right? Next, if you observe, in case of logical OR operation, if left hand side part is 0, right hand side part is also I have to observe. Accordingly, I will get the result. Do you all agree? It means if the left hand side part is 0, it has to go to expression 2. 0 और 0 है तो ही आंसर 0 आता है. 0 है, it checks this operation 1 and it gives me answer as 1. Did you all get it? Logical operators or operator? Right. You have to remember this, right? Next. Suppose I'm seeing expression 1 one more time, which can be 0, 0 1 1. I can have expression E2, which can be 0, which can be 1, 0 and 1. If I talk about logical AND operation, then this is treated as multiplication. Please observe, in this scenario, I'll use the same color coding. If left hand side part is 0, right, direct result is 0. If left hand side part is 0, direct result is 0. Means I do not have to evaluate this expression. Right? It means that when you talk about logical AND operation, left hand side expression is 0. It never goes to expression 2. But in case of logical AND operator, if left hand side part is 1, it has to, I cannot take decision directly. It has to go to expression 2. Have you understood the meaning of this logical AND and OR? It has to go over here. Accordingly, it has to take a decision. It has to compulsory go over here. It has to take this. वैसे ही आपका compiler करता है. In case of logical OR operator, if left hand side part is 1, right hand side expression is never evaluated. In case of logical AND operator, the left hand side part is 0, it never goes to the right hand side part. Okay, next, suppose I'm saying I want to, I have the result is equal to 1. And if I talk about not of result, it will give me answer as 0, exactly opposite. This is called as logical not operator. समझ में आया? There are 3 operators: logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. I will be sharing this diagram. This is logical operators. आपको एक बार एक्सप्रेशन इवैल्यूएट करने आया तो इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू, राइट? Let us take a quick example. Suppose I'm writing A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 3, right? I'm writing integer result. Initially, I'm writing A in percent D, B in percent D, C in percent D. ठीक. So I will try to print A, B and C. Next, I'm writing one expression A logical OR, B plus plus logical OR C. I'll say printf. After this, I'm writing A value. Maybe I'll write, let us say A plus plus only. It will be easy. A, B, and maybe I wish to go for C value, and I wish to print D value. Sorry, not D, it's result. So I'll write A, B, C, and D. Okay. Now, let us understand this expression first. Let's compile this code and let us check the output. Yes, it's D. यहाँ पे result आएगा. Let us see how I have received this particular output. I'm just copying this output first and let us observe this scenario. First of all, I will take this expression. Initially, printf is printing A, B, C value, which is 0, 1 and 3. Do you all agree with this? First printf, सबको समझ में आया? ठीक है. अब हम next printf को बाद में देखेंगे. पहले हम expression को evaluate करेंगे. Please understand and listen carefully. I have used here a logical operator. It's a logical OR operator. I have used again a logical operator, right? Can I say this is nothing but first complete expression? पहले मैं सिर्फ इतना ही evaluate करूंगी. Do you all agree? Everyone? पहले इतना ही cover करूंगी and then I will go ahead. I have to evaluate from left to right. Right. Now, let us try to evaluate first. A plus plus logical or B plus plus. Just try to evaluate. Can I say this is my expression 1 logical or expression 2? Can I say like this? I'm dividing it, right? Let us try to evaluate. Expression 1 is A plus plus. Will you please tell me expression 1 में value क्या जाएगा? Since it is post operation, तो पहले A का value 0 जाएगा. And after that, A value will become 1. Right? Can I say expression 1 is evaluated to 0 means E1 is equal to 0? Do you all agree with this? Very good. So I will say I have got expression 1 answer as a 0 and logical OR. Now please tell me, in case of logical OR operation, if the left hand side part is 0, does it go to the right hand side part? In case of logical OR operation, if the left hand side part is 0, does it go to the right hand side part? Yes, it means अब मुझे expression 2 भी evaluate करना पड़ेगा. That means B plus plus. Can you please tell me expression 2 में कौन सा value जाएगा? 1 जाएगा, right? और B में कौन सा value हो जाएगा? 2 हो जाएगा, right? Expression 2 is evaluated to non-zero means, can I say expression 2 will return me true part, which is 1, right? Means can I conclude expression 1 is expression 2 is 1? right? Can you please tell me, in this scenario, I have got 0, logical or 1. तो ये complete expression मुझे result क्या generate करके देगा? 1 देगा. Very good. ठीक. Can I say this one is basically represented in over here? Remaining part is logical or C and semicolon. Will my expression will look like this now? Right. Now please understand, in this scenario, if you talk about, again I have a logical or operator here, right? This logical or operator will try to observe one more time, right? Logical or operator ka left hand side part is 1. Does it go to the right hand side part? No. Means can I directly conclude it will never touch C part? Means can I say directly my result value is equal to 1? Good. Very good. Now, can you please tell me, while evaluating this complete expression, I have got final value of result is equal to 1, right? While evaluating of this expression, have I worked on the variable A? Have I touched the variable A? Yes. Can you see expression 1 में मैंने A plus plus किया, A की value modify हो गई 1. Have I worked on variable B? Yes. Expression 2 में मैंने B को touch किया, it was basically 2. Have I touched the value of C? No. So C value was initially 3. So C की value as it is रहेगी. Did you all get it? So am I getting the final answer? Result is 1, A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. This is the example of logical operators. This is how you can go ahead with solving different examples. Did you all get it? Even if C++ रहता था सूरज, but मैंने C वाले expression में touch किया क्या? नहीं किया, because मेरा expression left to right हुआ. Haniraj and others, I have evaluated from left to right. While evaluating from left to right, this expression have given me true. I have never touched the value of C. फिर वो C हो, plus plus C हो, C plus plus हो, whatever it is. If I am working on that expression, if the values are getting modified, then only they will get reflected. Otherwise, no. समझ में आया? Everyone, right? Good. अगर यहाँ पे प्लस प्लस ए रहता था, assume प्लस प्लस ए क्या करता था, यहाँ पे एक्सप्रेशन को क्या वैल्यू देता था? अगर यहाँ पे प्लस प्लस ए रहता था तो एक्सप्रेशन 1 को वैल्यू क्या मिलता था? 1. तो लॉजिकल और ऑपरेटर में अगर लेफ्ट साइड पार्ट 1 है, इन दैट केस वो राइट हैंड साइड पार्ट में जाता ही नहीं था. आर यू गेटिंग? Everyone, have you understood up to this point? I'll take one more example. ठीक है. Here only I'll write /n logical not %d and I'll say not of result. अब previous case में result का value क्या आया? 1 आया. Not of result should give me 0. Let us check. Can you see I'm getting 0? Exactly opposite. ठीक है. I'll take one and example. Suppose I'm writing here integer a is equal to 2, maybe b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 1. I'll say integer result. Result is equal to a or plus plus a, logical and b plus plus, right? Logical and c plus plus. Let us try to print the value of a in %d, b in %d, c in %d, and I'll print result in %d. A, B, C, and result. I'll try to print here also the values of A, B, and C before the expression. All right. Now, 3_6. Can you see initial values are 2, 3, and 1. अब ये expression कैसे evaluate होगा? Let us observe. I'll take this expression. This will be treated as, can I say logical and expression 1, right? Now, this expression 1 will get evaluated first. Expression 1 में है plus plus a. Plus plus a. What is the value of a? Initially it was 2. Plus plus a will make it as E1 को, expression 1 को value जाएगा 3. a की value हो जाएगी 3. Can I say expression 1 returns me true part? It's a non-zero value. Right. So expression 1 ने 1 answer दिया. Logical and operation. If the left hand side part is 1, does it go to the right hand side part? Yes, it goes to the right hand side part. Can I say this is my expression 2? Right? Let us evaluate expression 2 now. B plus plus. B is 3 plus plus. Expression 2 में 3 मिलेगा, B की value 4 हो जाएगी. Can I say expression 2 is also true? Means can I conclude here I have got the answer as 1? Everyone. Right? Now, can I say ये दोनों का answer, this two both the answers 1 and 1 is the answer is 1. Still, the pending part is logical and of C plus plus. Now, if the logical and part, left hand side part is 1, does it go to the right hand side part? Yes, it will go. Means can I say this will be treated as expression 3? So expression 3 is basically C plus plus. That is nothing but 1 plus plus. Expression 3 will hold answer as 1. C will hold answer as 2. Expression 3 is it true? Can I say like this? Means, can I also conclude these two expressions are giving me 1 and 1. What is the final answer? 1. And this will get stored into the result variable. While evaluating this expression, have I got the final value of result is equal to 0, 1? Yes. Have I worked on A value? Yes. Have I worked on B value? Yes. Have I worked on C value? Yes. Let us save this and check the output. All three. Can you see all the three values are reflected? अगर यहाँ पे C 0 रहता था तो फिर रिजल्ट में आंसर क्या जाता था? 0 जाता था. Check it. Can you see the output? Everyone. So have you understood how the logical operators are getting evaluated? All right, good. So with this, I will stop the recording and I will conclude the session of C programming, and I will be uploading part 2 soon. All right. So let us start with logical operators. So if we talk about logical operators,